Hey guys, today we have a VW Golf 2010, I believe. Just gonna show you guys how to disable the seat belt warning. So just turn the key on. I'm using the VCDS software diagnostics. So you get into the car and you choose instruments. Okay, then you go to coding. Then you can choose long coding helper. These are the values, these are the bytes. So if you go to this number 1, it says seatbelt warning. So if you untick this, also if you need to remove the other warnings, brake pad warning, washer fluid warning, just close it and just click on do it. Yes, coding accepted. Just you can see there's no seatbelt warning. That's how we that's how we remove the seatbelt warning using VCDS diagnostics on the VW Golf. Thanks for watching.